Mister, I will show you my house. This is my house. Come on. This is my living room. I have couch, table, and cabinet. In this room, this is my bedroom. There are bed, wardrobe, and table. And there is kitchen. My mother usually cooking. Okay, thanks.
Assalamualaikum friends. Today I want to tell you about my house. This is my living room. There is sofa with a comfy pillow. Usually, me and my family talk about everything. And this is my dining room. There are mineral water and some milk for my little sister. And there's a bottle of honey. And my mother just bought a pizza for us. This is my mother's desk. There is a laptop for her work. Usually, I borrow her laptop for school. This is my study desk. There is many books. There is big book of school and there is a small book of school. This is my toys, and in here I study and playing together with my sister. This is bedroom, and this is my bed, and it has my favorite dog. This is my storybook. When I sleep, I usually reading a book. This is my parents' wardrobe. Yes, I'm still sleeping with my parents. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.